Shoes that don't fit not only feel uncomfortable, but over time they can actually injure your feet. The same principle applies to your workstation. If it doesn't fit you, it can lead to problems with your neck, back, hands, wrists, even your eyes. The study of preventing these types of problems is called ergonomics. When you set up your desk, chair, and computer using ergonomic principles, you can do your work in a posture that relieves physical stresses instead of making them worse. The first step is to adjust the height of your chair. You should position it so when your forearms are flat on your work surface, they form an angle between 90 and 120 degrees with your upper arms. Next, you need to focus on your lower body. The better support your chair gives to your lower back, hips, and thighs, the less strain you'll feel and the less chance of injury. So your thighs should be roughly parallel to the floor and your knees about the same height as your hips, with your feet placed slightly forward. Your feet need good support too. If they're resting flat on the floor after you adjust your chair, you're all set. But if your feet are dangling, that will stress your back, so you'll need to use a footrest for proper support. Lastly, adjust your computer keyboard so you can keep your wrists flat as you use it. This flat wrists position helps to prevent a painful workplace injury called carpal tunnel syndrome. If the keyboard itself won't adjust, you can put a wrist pad or even a rolled-up towel in front of it to get the same result. You might also need to raise your seat height a little.